Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about an AI that knows everything you are working on, every conversation you have on your computer, and keep track of what you are doing in Google Sheets. So first, I'm going to create a new Google Sheet. I'm going to call it Log. And now I'm going to open this app called ScreenPipe, which is an AI powered by everything you've seen, said, or heard. And I'm going to give it the Google Sheet. And based on this Google Sheet, I want to keep track of everything I'm working on, how much time I spend on different apps, and it should automatically update this spreadsheet all the time. Track. Find different things and apps. Reset on it. So it finally managed to update. So it managed to update my what I've been working on. And it's even put links to project I was working on. Every 30 minutes is going to update my spreadsheet based on what I'm doing. You can see it here, and you can select which AI model you want. It's one person, and you will see here when it runs. And you have more than 40 other apps you can connect with. If you want to try this, go to screenpipe.com and download today. Bye bye.